back, everyone, to another video where we talk about using the pocket option platform to do binary option trading. The biggest problem new traders face. And I will also introduce a new strategy using that powerful super trend indicator on a 1-minute candle. If you are new to the channel and it's your first time visiting, take the time to look at the previous videos so you know what we've been talking about up until now. That includes all the tips and the strategies that I've been giving out each and every day. This is so wonderful to see that you are getting value out of my strategies that I'm posting on the channel every day, and you're using them in your trading sessions. Consider signing up. That way you can start making money on the platform so you can make extra money like the rest of us. Finding time to trade. Yes, it can be very difficult to find a specific time to trade when you are between a job, family, and just the chaos of life. Well, I do hope that you are staying healthy with the virus mess that is going on at the time, but keep in mind, it is a great opportunity because everyone is home, and this is a chance for you to find that 1 to 2 hours where you can literally disconnect from the world, put all your eyes and your mind on the screen looking for setups using whatever strategy that you've decided on to use in your trading session. Where should I trade? Well, I can only tell you that the main thing is, if you're going to trade at all, make sure that you are not trading in a very hectic environment. In other words, you don't want any distractions. You want as less distractions as you can. Now, one gentleman told me that he basically trades in his garage. Okay? Picture that. He literally says that he has to disconnect. After he gets off of his job, he heads straight to his garage. Seriously. And that's where he trades for at least 1 to 3 hours. And he says, and it works perfect, and he is always profitable. What's the hardest part of trading? Is not stopping when you make mistakes and you just continue to repeat them. Now, if you are a quick learner, and you'll notice this really fast, when you make mistakes, you either are going to respond to them and pull back and think about what you've done, and you start to slow down. Trading is very heavy on our psychology and our emotions. And if you don't master those two, you're going to have a tough time. Now, today we are going to do an excellent strategy, and you will see I will take some trades, I'll get a couple losses, but more wins when we use that 1-minute strategy using the super trend indicator. Now, here are the settings for the stochastic, as you can see. And here are the settings for the super trend. Watch how I make my entries, okay? But this is a great strategy using the 1-minute candles. The whole concept is follow the strength of the indicator. All right, let's see how these trades play out.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.